Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to our channel and welcome to another video. Today is a day in the life video of raising a toddler. Yeah, while being pregnant. Whoa, don't fall down. Don't fall down. Can you say good morning? Can you say hi? Hi. We are making breakfast. It's like 8 a.m. Alethea always wakes up between like 7 and 8 lately, hey? And so today we came down at 8. We're making a quick breakfast. Wanna get down? She's been very like, I don't know if she's like expecting a new baby to come or something like that, but she's been very like clingy. And one way, yeah, do you got your tongue? One way that we've been managing that is we like get her to help out in the kitchen. So I always like pull up a chair. My dad, for her birthday's in a couple weeks, and my dad's actually making her like a, what's it called, like toddler learn station. Like a little helper stool. But for the meantime, the little monkey stands on the chair. So we are just making, do you want mine? No? You want yogurt? So yeah, we're just making some like melon, strawberries, and waffles this morning. Super quick, super easy. And then we're gonna go take her for a little outing at a indoor playground. So I'm also gonna make her a snack to go. And yeah, that is how we're starting our day today. Here's Dada.
Here's my crazy hair.
It actually doesn't look as crazy as it
normally does
in the morning. This is Alethea's breakfast. Boop. No. You don't want it, hey? She saw the yogurt on the counter, so I think that's what she's wanting. This kid loves yogurt and she loves fruit, but she's also like been extremely picky lately. There, there's your breakfast. Yum, yum, yum. After breakfast, Alethea and I will go upstairs to get ready for the day. I have found that getting ready together is the most efficient. Rather than getting her ready and myself after, we do everything together. When I brush my teeth, she brushes hers. Also, if you have a toddler that isn't the biggest fan of getting their teeth brushed, I recommend you have 2 toothbrushes. That way she can brush at the same time and feel as if she has her independence. Alethea always enjoys getting her hair done, and I definitely enjoy trying different styles in her hair. She is at an age where she wants to be involved with everything I do, so I let her stand on the toilet and watch me get ready. She plays with my bathroom bags for entertainment. Mornings have become really special for us. I love us girls just starting our day together and getting ready. We're at the playground. We've been here, this is like the playground. We've been here for probably about an hour, and there used to be friends, but they all left, so now it's just me and Alethea. We got this whole place to ourselves. They have like a traffic light and cars and a big play space, and today actually Alethea went down that slide for the very first time all by herself. Yeah, do you want to go on the slide? Okay, I'll watch you. I'll watch. Getting out of the house at least once a day is vital for both mine and Alethea's sanity. A new environment with new toys keeps things fun and interesting. Because Alethea doesn't go to childcare, I like to take her out of the house so she can socialize with other children. Are you gonna go in your belly? Wow! Little snack break. Did Mama pack you a snack? Do you like it? What do you have? Grapes and melon and apples. That's yummy. We are back home from our little outing at the park, and we are having leftovers from last night. I made fettuccine alfredo, which is like one of Alethia's favorite things. She's like I said earlier, she's so picky, but honestly, every time I make fettuccine alfredo, this girl loves it. I mean, what's there not to love? It's just like cheese and pasta, but at least you eat it. Hey, don't get me dirty. Don't get me dirty. Don't get me dirty. Yes. We had fun at the playground, and now it's like after lunchtime, just before supper time, so we're kind of having like an early supper, late lunch. It's so good. No wonder why you like it. It's so good. And later on, we'll probably just have like a bedtime snack, and that will be about it. Yeah. Don't get me dirty. Eat your food. The other half of our day consists of a variety of activities. We will do crafts and sensory and free play. Having crafts and sensory on hand helps us avoid having the TV on all day. Time for bedtime snack in the tub! Woohoo! No. You like Nana? No. Growing up, my mom always made me snacks for the tub, and even when I was like older, when we didn't bath together, she'd bring me snacks and let me eat it in the tub. So this is something me and Alethea do often. We always have snacks in the tub, don't we? Yeah, we do. We have peanut butter toast and oranges and watermelons. What books are we gonna read tonight? Okay, pass to Mom. Yeah, okay, go get another one. There we go. Okay, go get another one. Get in bed, crawl in bed. Good job. Tuck yourself in. Go in the binky. Go in the binky. We end our day off the same each and every night. We pick out a couple of books and we cuddle in to her toddler bed. I am so happy that I decided to switch her to a toddler bed sooner than later, because she transitioned really well, and it allows me to lay down and cuddle next to her until she falls asleep. I will say that it is a pretty small bed considering I'm in my last few weeks of pregnancy, but it's all worth it. Thank you guys so much for watching today's video. I hope it gave you some inspiration on how to entertain and play with your toddler with no electronics. I love you all, and we will see you in the next video.